Welcome to another edition of Eric's Product Reviews. I am Eric, and today I'm going to be obviously unboxing, but reviewing and demoing for you this classic clear TPU and acrylic case with HaloLock from ESR. I've already got it out of the box to speed things up. I'm going to pull it out of the bag so you can see it. Now this is a crystal clear, fully protective case. If you have an iPhone 14, especially if you got one like me, nice purple color, I want to show that off. So this crystal clear case allows me to do that without losing the MagSafe capabilities, because this has magnetic ring built in. This is actually the ESR HaloLock technology. You can see that little logo there. Their HaloLock technology, some of the absolute best MagSafe compatible magnets built into any cases or accessories. Really holds strong and holds well. And real quick, let's do that crystal clear lens test. I'm going to hold this all the way up to the lens, and we're going to focus it on my hand there so you can see just how crystal clear that case is. But most importantly, we're going to put it on the phone so you can see how it looks on the phone, see how you can see the phone through it. It goes on the phone really easily, and there we go. And you can see, because it is crystal clear, you can see my shiny purple iPhone 14 Pro Max in all its glory without any issues at all. And you've got protection, you've got that HaloLock, and we're going to just throw this on there real quick so you can see how strong that HaloLock is. I can shake it around, no, don't have to worry about it at all, because once it's gripped onto the HaloLock, it is going to stay. HaloLock, like I said, one of the strongest MagSafe systems out there. So you can see that works. Let's take a closer look at this case. You can see here in the corners, you've got nice little air bubbles. Corners are the most dangerous spots on a phone if it's dropped, if it hits on the corner. So you've got those extra air cushions for protection. You've got the perfect cutouts right there. You can see nice wide cutout for the lightning port so that any charger you have can fit in there. Oops, I didn't have it in there all the way. There you go. Now you can see much better. Big wide cutout, perfect cutouts for the speakers. Everything is clearly visible. You've got nice cover on the button, power button, nice easy tactile feel over there. On the other side, same thing, nice wide cutout for your vibrate button, as well as your volume rockers, easy to access those. You do down here on the bottom, you have this little divot. You can put a lanyard on there if that's something that you are interested in doing. But you've got that nice beauty of a clear screen on the back so you can see the color of the iPhone. Over here you've got a very nice raised bezel all the way around those cameras. Those cameras are very, very protected. And you can see it kind of flares out a little bit on the right hand side there. But definitely a lot of protection there for that. And then on the front, you've also got raised bezels all the way around the front of your phone. So even if you lay your phone flat on its face, the screen won't actually be touching anything because you've got those raised bezels all the way around the phone. So a really excellent case by ESR. Again, it does feature their HaloLock technology, which is going to give you the best you can possibly get when it comes to MagSafe compatible cases for your phone. And then you've got that nice, beautiful, crystal clear look so that you can see the purple or whatever color of iPhone you chose. You can see it through there without any issues at all. And then you've got all those safety features, the air cushions on the corners, as well as the raised bezels and all the right cutouts. So really excellent case. If you're looking for a case for your iPhone 14 series phone and you want one that will provide you the best in MagSafe capabilities, but also allow your beauty of your phone to shine through and let everyone see the color of your phone, then this classic clear case by ESR is definitely the way to go. You will not be disappointed. It's definitely a case that I would recommend. That is going to be it for this review. If you like this review, please click that like button. If you know anyone who might be interested in the product, share the video with them. All those ways are down there. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for this playlist. Keep up with future product reviews. And that is going to be it until next time. So be safe and be happy.